Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this 5-strand braid with 2 ribbons. If you prefer to use pearls or just a hair strand, you can replace the ribbons always with them. First, I secure the ribbons with the bobby pins to the other side, and braid will start yet after the parting. I take some hair and 2 ribbons, total of 3 strands of hair and 2 ribbons. I start from the side where I have 2 hair strands. I bring the outside most under and then the hair strand between the ribbons, so the another over and another under. Then I bring the outmost strand from the another side under and over under to the ribbons. Again, outmost under, add hair between the ribbons, and yet again from the another side under, add hair and between the ribbons. Outmost under, add hair and between the ribbons. When you move the hair through the ribbons, it's important that each ribbon will go alternately under and over, so basically it's easy to remember when you always bring the hair from the outside, first under, then over the first ribbon and under the second ribbon. So in that way you can keep order more easily and accidentally mess up with the right order. If keeping up with the right order is difficult to you, you can always twist the ribbons over each other. In that way there will be a little bump where you do the twist, but if your hair is thick enough like mine, the twist won't show up on the ending result, and that kind of makes the braiding easier if you don't want to keep up with the order. I'm not saying it's easier way, because for me it feels more complicated, but I've heard that some people feel that more easy way, so it's totally up to you and how you used to hold on the strands on your fingers. So if that feels hard to you, that might be the better version for you. I also leave some hair out of the braid, but that's totally optional. If you want to leave some hair out, then just keep on braiding like before after that. If you want more volume for the braid, I suggest you to pancake the edges of the braid. This braid is especially easy for pancaking practices because the ribbons hold on the braid shape pretty well, and that gives you more space to spread and pull the hair out better. It's much more easier with this braid than, for example, a regular Dutch braid. After the last addings, keep on braiding like before, just normal addings. So you need to bring the hair outside, under, over, under, and then under, over, under. Last but not least, I release the poppy pins from the ribbon, and then I will pull the end of the ribbon under the braid so the beginning will hide. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!